Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all the Reesino Sonic Electric Toothbrush with a 100-day battery, 5 different brush modes, IPX8 rated. I did receive this toothbrush to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. That being said, I'm really excited about this. The link to it is in my video description below. I've also reviewed a couple other toothbrushes. Go ahead and check those ones out as well if you're in the market for one and doing some shopping. So here's how it comes packaged to you. Really nice, durable cardboard box. Really simple design. So just literally has a picture of the toothbrush and it says Sonic Electric Toothbrush. So nothing else on the sides. On the back we have a barcode that basically tells us what this is, and that's it. So it is a rechargeable toothbrush, and now we'll go ahead and we'll unbox it. So I got the shrink wrap off, and we'll go ahead and pull it out of the box. Ooh, cool. So first thing we see, unsatisfied or satisfied, let them know on Amazon. Link to this is in my video description below. Again, check it out. Reesino user manual right here. We can see that sort of thing, how to brush your teeth, how to install the head, what angle to use, how it charges with USB. So want to hold on to that and reference it. So this is really neat. What a cool case. So this is really cool. See if we can open it up. All right, so this case is getting the best of me to open it up. There we go. I don't know why that was so difficult for me, but it's a really cool case. Really hard to open if you just try like that, but you just got to get a little bit of your fingernail under the lip. And then it pops right open. So here is the toothbrush itself, and then they give you the spot for the two cleaning heads. This is really a sweet design. It's very minimalistic. And I like the kind of the ivory white that we have here. It's got a good weight, feels pretty light. Again, you're plugging the charger right there and you can see what you'll be using. And so now let's go ahead, let's look at the brush heads themselves too. Whoops, and this fits one way in the case. Also something important to note. So we have the brush head and the charging cable. So let's go ahead, let's look at the brush heads. So that was actually the charging cable that came out first. And there's the two brush heads for you. We'll go ahead and open one up and put it on. Get this back out again. And it should just snaps right in there, just slides right in. Then you could start brushing. Yeah, so in order to charge it, you'll plug it in here and just use your USB charger that you probably have laying around. And you'll have to lay down. But yeah, really cool toothbrush. And what you can see when you start, you push the button, it shows standard mode and it shows your battery, how full it is. Then there's clean, whitening, massage, soft, and off. So you can cycle through all those different modes, really easy. It's nice that it all lights up right there, little LEDs. So really a cool toothbrush. And just really easy to grip, really nice. So we'll go ahead now, we'll try it out and see how we like it. All right guys, Digital David here. I was able to get my lovely wife, Amy, to try out the toothbrush for me. She is the electronic toothbrush expert here. So she has it all ready. She's gonna brush her teeth for us. She's gonna put some toothpaste on it. Really cool toothbrush, by the way. Each setting lasts for 2 minutes. So she'll just give it a try and see how she likes it. She gives him a thumbs up already. That's a good sign.
Mm-hmm. Let's change the mode. It's on standard right now. This is on clean.
Cool. Whoa.
Whitening.
Kind of a funky noise there a little bit.
It's cool because I can feel it pulsing.
What do we have left? Any other modes?
This is massage.
Okay. You can kind of hear the difference. Hopefully the audio will pick it up. You can kind of hear it's vibrating differently.
And then soft, which could be good if you have sensitive teeth.
Yeah, how does the brush head and the bristles feel? Pretty soft. Good. All right. Cool. Well, hey guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. Go ahead and leave me any questions, comments, concerns you may have. That sort of thing. I'd love to interact with you all. This is on Amazon. Check it out. Link in the description below. Hit that like button. Hit that sub button. Like I said, leave me any questions, comments, concerns. Go ahead, sign up for my newsletter in the video description below too. Stay in touch with my channel. Love to get to know you guys, interact with you via email as well. Some promo codes, some history about my channel, what we do here. And I just really appreciate you all being here. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much.